Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, a comprehensive guide to Python 3, encoding hexadecimal data. Introduction. Python 3 provides robust support for hexadecimal encoding through its built-in bytes data type and the binascii module. This tutorial aims to elucidate the process of encoding hexadecimal data in Python 3, offering a clear understanding of the methodology along with practical code examples. Section 1, Overview of hexadecimal encoding. Hexadecimal encoding involves representing binary data as a string of hexadecimal digits. This is particularly useful in scenarios where human-readable representation is needed, such as when dealing with cryptographic keys or binary data interchange. Section 2, Encoding hexadecimal data with bytes type. Python 3 introduces the bytes type, which allows efficient manipulation of binary data. To encode hexadecimal data using bytes, we utilize the bytes.fromhex method. In this example, the variable hex_data stores the hexadecimal string, and bytes.fromhex, hex_data, converts it into a bytes object. The resulting encoded bytes are then printed. Section 3, Encoding hexadecimal data with binascii module. Python's binascii module provides additional functionalities for working with binary data, including hexadecimal encoding. The hexlify function from this module is used for encoding. In this example, the variable hex_data stores binary data, and binascii.hexlify, hex_data, encodes it into a hexadecimal string. The resulting encoded hexadecimal string is then printed after decoding it into a UTF-8 formatted string. Section 4, Considerations and Best Practices. Conclusion. Hexadecimal encoding is a fundamental aspect of working with binary data in Python 3. This tutorial has provided insights into encoding hexadecimal data using both the bytes type and the binascii module. By following the presented examples and best practices, developers can confidently integrate hexadecimal encoding into their Python applications. Sure, let's create a tutorial on encoding and decoding hexadecimal strings in Python 3 using the hexlify and unhexlify functions from the binascii module. Hexadecimal encoding is useful when you need to represent binary data in a human-readable format. Hexadecimal encoding is a way to represent binary data as a string of hexadecimal digits. Python provides the binascii module, which includes functions like hexlify and unhexlify to encode and decode hexadecimal strings. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use these functions. The hexlify function takes a binary data input and returns a hexadecimal representation as a bytes object. Output. The unhexlify function performs the reverse operation, taking a hexadecimal string and returning the corresponding binary data. Output. It's important to handle errors when working with encoding and decoding functions. For example, decoding an invalid hexadecimal string can raise a binascii error. This will output. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of hex encoding and decoding in Python 3 using the hexlify and unhexlify functions from the binascii module. These functions are useful for converting binary data to a human-readable format and vice versa. Remember to handle errors when working with these functions to ensure robust code. Feel free to experiment with different binary data and hex strings to further explore the capabilities of hex encoding and decoding in Python. ChatGPT